Hi guys, it's Cheryl and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button below. I would really appreciate that. The first thing I want to do today is thank somebody. Marie Cantelli, I was the winner of one of her giveaways, and she sent me this beautiful bag. Got it yesterday, and when I opened it up, it had this gorgeous palette. It's from Peak Cosmetics. It's in screenshot. I already played with it. It's on my eyes. I just couldn't wait. Look how pretty that is. It's got everything you need to do just a basic everyday look. This is great for travel. I'm just so thankful that that she gave this to me and I won the giveaway. What else was in here? Chocolate, lots of it. I was so happy because I'm on a diet and my kids are monitoring me, and so when I opened this up and saw that chocolate, I was like, woo! So I ate all the chocolate. I did. It was really good, and it was so sweet, literally. Love you, Marie. If you have not visited her channel, I would really ask that you would take a peek over there. Marie Cantelli is her name, and I'm going to put her link to her channel down below. Give her a visit. She's a wonderful, sweet woman, and her videos are great, and I think you'll enjoy her channel. So also what I want to do today is show you these lip kits by Huda Beauty. They are my favorite. Now, they only complaint I have is they only come in like 5 colors, I think. I've got 3 of them. The first one I'm going to put on, it's called Trophy Wife. Get the light a little brighter here. So I'm going to line my lips. It comes with, let me show you. Each kit comes with a liner, the liquid lipstick, and then the lip topper. And the toppers, oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. You can wear them by themselves. They're so pretty. Okay, so our lips are lined, and now we're gonna put on, this is Trophy Wife. This one is my favorite. I think I just said that. They are a liquid liquid to dry matte lipstick. I just made a mess over here. So let's let it dry down. The color is different once it's dried down all the way. I'm gonna get out the topper. I love her formulas. You can eat. They don't get all crusty looking right there. You don't have to remove them halfway through the day and reapply. They really last, and they don't take the skin off at night when you try to get them off either. Now, how they have the instructions to apply the topper, they say to go like this, and then right here in the middle. It gives you fullness, and it does. Makes your lips look fuller. I usually just do the whole lip. Because I'm so extra. As my daughter will say. Anyway, this is Trophy Wife. It's so pretty. When I wear it, I get tons of compliments. I just love the color. Love, love, love. So I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna show you the other 2. I'm just using a wipe. These are the Ish wipes. I get them in the FabFitFun add-ons. They work really well. I mean, they take off anything. Okay, so now I'm gonna do Muse. This, I should have showed you the little tin. This is Muse. Aren't they cute? Oh my god, I love the packaging. Okay. Now we're going to put on the liquid lipstick. This one, I would say, is the one that is most, you can use every day. Go to the grocery store, go to work. Even with the topper, it's not too much. It's a mauve nude, I would say. And then here's the topper. It's a peachy gold. Now, you don't have to use the topper that they give you with the color they give it to. I mean, you can mix and match. So that's applied how the directions go, and then I'm going to show you the whole lip. That's Muse. Now the next one, I read the reviews, was mixed. On Sephora, but I just had to try it because some people really loved it. When I put it on, I wasn't sure about it at first, but the more I had it on, I was like, oh my god, this is awesome. And when my husband saw it, he never does this. He was like, oh my god, your lips, that looks sexy on you. He never says anything about my makeup, so he must have really liked it. He kept talking about it. He's like, oh, what, you went back to your goth days? And I mean, so it got his attention in a good way. So that's the liner. Oh, in this color, I'm sorry, it's called Silver Fox. This is Silver Fox. And now we're gonna do the liquid lipstick. Let it dry down. And again, I have to say it again. Marie, thank you so much. I never win anything. I just really made my day. I can't tell you enough. Thank you. That's awesome. There is no greater thing in the world than to give and to forgive. And it feels good to give. It feels really good to receive too. I'm usually on the giving end, so it was so nice to have this, and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So now we're going to put the topper on. And I'm going to do the whole lip. That's Silver Fox. I like it. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. There are 2 other shades. I chose these 3 because they were different. The other 2 were kind of similar to another one, if you know what I mean. I hope that made sense. So I chose the 3 that were a variety, let's put it that way. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I would suggest giving one of these lip kits a try. They're phenomenal. You'll be hooked. And Huda also has tons of other matte lipstick colors and tons of other strobes. Matter of fact, I have another strobe here. This one is called Snobby. I'll swatch it on my hand. I mean, she has way more than just these that are available. These are just the kit, and I kind of like it because you get the liner, you get the liquid lipstick, and the topper, so it's kind of a good deal. So anyway, thanks guys, take care, and I will see you soon.